Cardano value sort of equivalent to $0.3639 a coin in a genuinely significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.36050.3706. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 0.3703 in a sort of significant way. The change certainly was 0.0064, 1.73% in an unobtrusive way. Converse rate, USD to ADA in an unobtrusive way. Cardano value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.37. Certainly most extreme 0.40. By and large least 0.34, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano estimate on Friday, May 26, cost $0.38. Most certainly greatest 0.41, least 0.35 in a significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $0.37. Fundamentally greatest 0.40, least 0.34, which generally is genuinely critical. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.37, kind of greatest 0.40, sort of least 0.34, which especially is genuinely huge. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.37, most certainly greatest 0.40, kind of least 0.34, which truly is genuinely critical. Cardano estimate on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.37, especially greatest 0.40, genuinely least 0.34 in a significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $0.38, genuinely greatest 0.41, kind of least 0.35, or so they generally thought. Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $0.38, by and large most extreme 0.41, essentially least 0.35, or so they thought. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.38, lovely most extreme 0.41, beautiful least 0.35 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days Cardano estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.39, sort of most extreme 0.42, kind of least 0.36, or so they basically thought. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.38, by and large most extreme 0.41, sort of least 0.35 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano gauge on Friday, June 9, cost $0.39, most certainly greatest 0.42, sort of least 0.36 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $0.38, extremely greatest 0.41, sort of least 0.35, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.39, especially most extreme 0.42, kind of least 0.36, further appearance how really converse rate, USD to ADA in a significant way. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.39, essentially greatest 0.42, genuinely least 0.36, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.38, lovely most extreme 0.41, by and large least 0.35, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $0.38, most certainly greatest 0.41, exceptionally least 0.35, or so they in every practical sense thought. Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost $0.37, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.40, especially least 0.34 and in every practical sense, large way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.38, genuinely greatest 0.41, least 0.35, showing how Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $0.38, sort of greatest 0.41, exceptionally least 0.35, or so they generally thought. In about a month Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.37, extremely greatest 0.40, fundamentally least 0.34. So Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.37, sort of greatest 0.40, by and large least 0.34. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.37, exceptionally greatest 0.40, most certainly least 0.34. Cardano figure on Friday, June 23, cost $0.37, especially greatest 0.40, certainly least 0.34 in an especially enormous way. USD to ADA conversion standard really equivalent to 2.7480 coins per $1, showing how Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $0.37, essentially greatest 0.40, kind of least 0.34 in a sort of significant manner. Today, S reach 2.6983 minus 2.7739 in a kind of large way. The past day, S nearby 2.7005, which really is genuinely critical. Change for now plus 0.0475, plus 1.76%. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost 2.703 coins. Genuinely greatest 2.941, certainly least 2.500, or so they generally thought. USD to ADA forecast on Friday, May 26, cost 2.632 coins. For the most part greatest 2.857, exceptionally least 2.439, which explicitly is very huge. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Monday, May 29, cost 2.703 coins. Sort of greatest 2.941, kind of least 2.500, which truly shows that truly reverse rate, USD to ADA, which especially is very critical. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 2.703 coins. Sort of greatest 2.941, essentially least 2.500. So Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost $0.38. Sort of most extreme 0.41, truly least 0.35, which all things considered, is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost 2.703 coins, essentially greatest 2.941, genuinely least 2.500 in a genuinely huge way. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 2.703 coins, genuinely greatest 2.941, lovely least 2.500, showing that Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $0.38, genuinely most extreme 0.41, exceptionally least 0.35 in a huge way. Dollar to Cardano figure on Friday, June 2, cost 2.632 coins, really greatest 2.857, in every practical sense, least 2.439, or so they fundamentally thought. USD to ADA expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 2.632 coins, by and large most extreme 2.857, essentially least 2.439 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Cardano figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost 2.632 coins, greatest 2.857, truly least 2.439, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In about 14 days USD to ADA expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 2.564 coins, for the most part greatest 2.778, genuinely least 2.381, or so they thought. Dollar to Cardano figure on Thursday, June 8, cost 2.632 coins, essentially most extreme 2.857, fundamentally least 2.439. Especially further appearance how the change really was 0.0064, 1.73%. USD to ADA expectation on Friday.